What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here, answering your questions. How much should you invest in one penny stock? What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here in Miami, driving my Rolls Royce, answering your questions. Let me ask you, do you like my Rolls Royce? Say yes or no. Leave a comment just below. I'm curious to see what you think of my latest car. You know, I grew up dreaming of owning these cars, and now it's literally a dream come true. So I personally like it, but I'm curious. Do you like Rolls Royces? Yes or no? And feel free to say no. I want to get like your honest answer. You know, I'm trying to inspire you to study harder, frankly. Like, not enough of my students are truly dedicated in their studies. They just want to make quick money. And that brings me to today's question. How much money should you invest and put into any one stock, into any one trade? And my answer is that, you know, to get truly rich, especially with penny stocks over time, no one trade matters. I know that's tough to accept because, like, you want to pick the penny stock that's going to be the next Microsoft. It never is. The secret to my making millions of dollars, and the secret to my students making millions of dollars, my top ones, is that you're learning the process. Small gains add up. My average trading profit is just roughly $2,000 over 20 plus years. It adds up. My top students, their average trading profits are $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 per trade. And that's just like when a trade works out. Sometimes we're going to lose. We're not right every single time. So when we lose, you know, I lose $50, $100, $200, sometimes $300 or $400. The gains should be bigger than your losses. So I know a lot of people are watching this and being like, oh, wow, this is amazing. Like, you know, make $2,000. That sounds fantastic. Well, that's average, and that's after several years. So I know it sounds amazing to make $2,000 in a trade. You're like, wow, what do I have to do to make $2,000 in a trade? But understand that's my average over 20 plus years. And I've been trading with big accounts. I've been trading with small accounts. When you're first starting, you should trade smaller. Okay, this is not an easy game to learn right away. Even my top student, who has now made over $8 million, guess what? He made nothing his first 9 months. So if the best penny stock trader in the world, arguably, made nothing the first 9 months, guess how you're going to do? You need to have the right perspective. You need to have patience. And if you have that, you know, year 2, year 3, year 4, that's when you can get more aggressive. But in the beginning, if you say, hey, I want to put $1,000 into this stock, what do you think? Well, again, $1,000 is different for everybody. But for me, I would say if you think about putting $1,000 into a stock, why not put 500? Because if no one trade matters, and if you're just beginning and you don't really know the patterns, you're not, you know, comfortable with all the volatility, then why not just put in half of what you thought you should put in? That way, you know, you minimize your risk, you minimize, yes, your potential gains, but you also minimize your potential for loss. Rule number 1 is cut losses quickly. And I find that when you take smaller positions, it's easier to cut losses quickly because you're more used to like losing like $30 or $50 as opposed to like losing $300 or $500. I don't want you losing a lot of money in the beginning, but at the same time, sometimes you're just going to be wrong. And sometimes cutting losses quickly and losing small is the best case scenario for that trade. So I want to kind of use your small losses as your market tuition. You know, you're paying the market to learn what not to do. So whatever your number is, whatever you think that you should put into a trade or any one stock, do half of that. That's my answer. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.